integers. Multiplication of integers. First, we will do multiplication of integers on number line. Okay. Now, 3 into minus 4. So, 3 into minus 4 means, see here now, 3 groups. Each group contains 4 steps from 0 to left side. Okay. So, 3 groups. Minus 4, no? Minus 4 plus minus 4. We have to add 3 minus 4s. Okay? Plus, because multiplication means repeated times of addition only, na? Multiplication is nothing. It is addition. Repeated times of addition. So, 3 into minus 4 means minus 4 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 4. Okay? We will see what happens. Minus 4 plus into minus minus plus into minus minus. Okay. So, all having same symbol now means these all are belongs to negative integers. So, what is the total of these negative integers? What is the total of these negative integers? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So, these all are negative integers. We are finding sum for the negative integers. So, we will get negative answer. We will get negative answer. Okay. So, minus 12. So, 3 into minus 4 means 3 groups. Each group contains 4. Each group contains 4 steps. If we are doing this on number line means, we have to start from 0. And how many steps we have to take? 3 steps. Positive integer is we use to represent groups, and each group contains how many? 4 steps. Okay. Now we will do on number line. 3 into minus 4. This is also very important. They will give us an exam point of view for 8 marks question. This is a 2 marks. This belongs to 2 marks. Different in 8 marks sum they will give us addition, subtraction, multiplication, and compute they will give for 8 marks. Each one carries 2 marks. Okay. So this is also one of the very important question. So listen carefully and very easily we get marks here because it is very easy. Okay. So 3 into minus 4. So whenever you find negative number, one is a negative number, you just take more negative numbers. So, I am taking more space for the negative integers, less space for the positive integers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. Okay. So, from 0 we have to start addition or subtraction or multiplication. First group you have to start from 0. Next integer see. 3. 3 means 3 groups we have to draw. Each group 4 steps we have to count. Each group 4 steps we have to count. And 4 is negative integer, no? So we have to move towards left. If it is positive integer means we have to move towards right. Okay. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one group. Okay. So next, like that 3 groups we have to draw. 1. Already we reached here, no? So no need to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Each group you have to count how much? 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally Okay, this is multiplication on number line. Now one more sum. Minus 5 into 2. See here na? Minus 5 into 2. So which one is positive integer here? See, 2. Relation is into 2 having no symbol. So this is positive. 2 ki left side emundi symbol emi ledu. So 2 is positive, 5 is negative. So if we find one negative integer when we are multiplying, you just take more space for negative integers, less space for positive integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. We have to expand this now. This is not enough. Minus 10, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11. Okay, we should keep arrow marks on both sides. Now you see Nana, minus 5 into 2. Positive integer is what? 2. So 2 groups. We have to draw 2 groups. Each group having 5 steps. Okay, minus is there no left side. We have to move towards left. Okay, so from 0 onwards we have to start. And we have to count 5. Minus 5 means left, towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is one group. Now another group we have to draw same like that. Counting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you reached minus 10. So minus 10 is our answer. So therefore minus 5 into 2 equals to how much, Nana? Minus 10. Okay. Now once you observe here, Nana. 6 into 3. 6 3s are how much, Nana? 6 into 3. Now you will do 4 into minus 3, no? 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3, how much you got? Now you completed 4 into minus 3, no? So 4 into minus 3, how much? Sorry, Nana, listen all of you. 5 into 5 into minus 4 equals to, listen, 5 into minus 4 we will get minus 20. Next, 4 into minus 4. 4 4s are 16. Plus into minus 16. Now 3 into minus 4 minus 12. Now 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Once you see here, Nana, with 4 difference, numbers are decreasing. Okay. Now 1 into minus 4 minus 4. 0 into minus 4 0. Next 1 into, okay, next 1 into, now positive numbers also finished. Now I am taking minus 1. Okay, now minus 1 into minus 4. Here also observe, Nana, values are going on decreasing. Next which value will come? Positive value. So plus 4. Okay, once observe here this pattern, Nana. First I taken 5 into minus 4 equals to, Nana, when we are multiplying a negative integer to a positive integer, we get negative answer. From the above examples, multiplication of number line, we know that multiplication of positive integer and negative integer, we got negative integer. So 5 4s 20, minus 20 we know. Next 4 4s, 4 4s minus 16, 3 4s minus 12, 2 minus 4s minus 8, 1 minus 4 minus 4. Once you observe here this pattern, Nana, values are equals to 8 after next by adding 4. Which number you will get? 12. Okay. See Nana here. From these all observations, when you are multiplying a positive integer and negative integer, positive integer and negative integer, you getting a negative integer as an answer. And each time you are multiplying negative integer and negative integer, you are getting a positive integer. Okay, you are getting, each time you are multiplying negative integer and negative integer, you are getting a positive integer. From these two, what we are understand? Whenever we are multiplying different symbols, we will get negative. When we are multiplying two same signs, we will get plus. So plus into plus, plus. Okay. So now if we multiply minus into plus, we will get minus. Okay Nana? అర్థమైందా? సో చూడండి ఒకసారి, ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఒకసారి చూడండి, నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే 5 into -4 ఆల్రెడీ నంబర్ లైన్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాం మనం. నంబర్ లైన్ దీనికి ముందు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పాను కదా, నంబర్ లైన్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. మనం ఒక పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఒక నెగిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి నెగిటివ్ ఇంటీజరే కదా వచ్చింది, అవునా? సో 5 4s are 20 -20. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఐ యామ్ టేకింగ్ ఫస్ట్ 5 4s I take it, next 4 -4s I take it. So how much we got? -4 value decreased, -16. Next 3 4s, 3 4s means -12. 2 4s -8. 1 4 -4. Observe here now, this pattern negative integers are completed. Okay, with the 4 difference. Okay, now 0 after again we will get from the integer number line negative integers. After 0 after we will get positive integers only, no? So minus into minus plus 4. Okay, now -2 into -4 plus 8. Okay, -3 into -4 plus 12. From this pattern we can conclude that plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus, minus into plus minus. Okay na? చాలా సింపుల్ గా, చాలా ఈజీ. అంతేకాదు, ఎందుకు ఈజీ అంటానంటే ఈ టాపిక్ నుండి మనం మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి, మార్క్స్ పోకుండా తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. చాలా ఈజీ, ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు నేర్చుకోవచ్చు ఈ టాపిక్. ఎలాగా అంటే మనం మల్టిప్లై చేసే ప్రతిసారి రెండు వేరు వేరు సింబల్స్ ఉంటే చూసుకోండి, ఈ రెండు సేమా కాదా చూడండి. వేరు వేరు ఉంటే మైనస్, అదొకటే మీరు చూడాల్సింది. రెండు సేమ్ గా ఉంటే either they are negative or positive, you will get positive. ఓకే, సో ఈ 2 రూల్స్ మీద నీకు నీ టీచర్స్ అన్ని చాలా ఈజీగా, రాంగ్స్ లేకపోతే ఈజీగా చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. అర్థమైందా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ స్మాల్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ దేర్, దట్ ఈజ్ this is very important, Nana. Next multiplication of more than 2 negative integers, more than 2 negative integers. Okay, multiplication of more than 2 negative integers. See here na, we know -1 into -2 plus 2. Okay, minus into minus plus. Now -1 into -2 into -3. Here I took 3 negative integers. See, first whenever we have to do like this multiplication, first you should multiply symbols. In integers అదే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ విషయం. సో ఫస్ట్ సింబల్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోవాలి. మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్, ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మైనస్. సో ఫస్ట్ అలా సింబల్ మల్టిప్లై చేసి మైనస్ పెట్టేయాలి ఆన్సర్ కి. నెక్స్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై నంబర్స్. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Like this you have to perform the multiplication. -3 into -5 into -7 into -6. Now see Nana, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75, 75 6, 6 5s 30, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 3 4 450. Okay, from these observations you observe here na, whenever we are multiplying two negative integers, 2 means even number of integers, we get a positive answer. Okay, so each time you are multiplying odd number of negative integers, you are getting a negative integer as answer. Okay, negative integer as answer. Each time, again you see, each time you are multiplying even number of negative integers, you are getting a positive integer as answer. Okay, now, okay Nana, now division of integers. Now division of integers. So -3 divided by -5. See here Nana, I taken here two negative integers, -3 by -5. Divided by means we can write like this, no? We can express like this, no? Now you see, numerator and denominator having same value, we can cancel, no? So numerator having minus, denominator also having minus. So cancel these two. Now what is the answer? 3 by 5, positive integer. We got a positive rational number. Okay. Now -18 divided by 6. You see, -18 divided by 6 means -18 divided by 6 and 8 -18 by 6. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. -3 by 1. -3 by 1 means denominator లో ఉన్న 1 కి ఉన్న ఒకటే లేకపోయినా ఒకటే విలువ మారదన్నమాట. సో -3. So observe here Nana, when we are dividing two negative numbers, we get a positive. When we are dividing negative number and positive number, we getting a negative answer. Okay, so from division, if both having numerator and denominator having same symbols, we get positive. And if we are dividing a negative integer with a positive integer, we will get negative integer. Otherwise 6 divided by -2, we are dividing a positive integer with a negative integer. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are. So symbol won't change, -3, because this is positive, this is negative. So రెండిట్లో ఎక్కడ మైనస్ ఉన్నా పై నంబర్ కి మైనస్ పెట్టేసుకుందాం. So -3. So this is the division of integers.